welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Kristyanah, a Nigerian-based YouTuber, but right now I'm in Vietnam and I'm inside Lyn Hair factory. So guys, welcome back, and like I said before, I'm right here in Lyn Hair office in Vietnam, Hanoi to be precise. And these are the qualities of hair. I mean, there's no quality of hair they say in Vietnam that Lyn Hair does not have. They have the baby thin hair, they have the virgin hair, they have the raw hair, and they have good quality. Some people said the other time that I posted a video of them the first time, they were like, it's a promotion, they probably sent you the good hairs, they probably sent you the best hairs, but right now I'm their factory, okay? So this is not a matter of they sent me a good hair. This is good hairs, and I'm telling you for a fact that the qualities are top notch. You all know me. If the quality is not good, I will tell you that the quality is not good. But what I'm seeing right here is a very good quality. I've bleached their Remi hair before on my channel, and also their raw hair, which lifted to 613. So their hair lift to 613. The Remi hair too can be bleached to like brown, which I will put in a video of it here. I've tested it out on my channel before, but these are the top qualities, okay? Top quality hair. These are their baby thin hair. And you all need to see this hair. Please come close. Come. So these are their baby thin hairs. These are in natural states. These are the natural color. Okay, you can see one bundle like this is from a donor. Another one is from a donor. You can see the quality and the texture. You can see the color too. This is slightly brown and this is natural black. Okay, they have baby thin hairs in long length. They have their raw hair. They all lift to 613. Okay, if you get this, you can lift it to 613. If you get this one too, you can lift it to 613. They have different quality, various quality. And this right here is their Remi hair. Okay, I've shown you guys their Remi hair quality before. It's so nice. See, these are Remi hair, and this is what some factories are selling to you as virgin. This is me seeing and telling you the fact that their hairs are of good quality. This is so good. Trust me when I say that. So they also have this. These are raw hair. This, you can see, is of good quality. Okay, they bleach this place to like ash and the rest to blonde, which I absolutely love. This is their bouncy. Okay, this is 14 inches SDD. It bounces back. All you have to do is just roll it and you have a bounce back. Like, the quality is so good. Okay, so if you have been wanting a very bouncy hair, come to Lyn Hair. All you have to do is just roll it back and it's gonna roll. You can see this. You can see the quality yourself. Brush it and roll it back. You have the same bouncy hair. This is Remi, right?
Yes.
This is the Remi hair quality, and you can see it Bome's coil in Remi quality. This is what people are buying as raw donor from some vendor. Okay, I'm not gonna mention name, but this is what you guys are buying as the single donor from some vendor. This is Bome's, okay?
Yes.
And it's so fine. So let's get right into the combo of the day. The combo they have for you people during this Christmas. Aside from all this pattern you've seen here, I mean the bouncy, Bome's and all that, this is another top quality from them, which is from a raw hair. This is their natural wavy hair, and you can see the quality. The quality is so good. So there's no pattern, I mean coil pattern that you want that they did not produce. They produce it for you. Look at this. It has a very natural brown tip. This is not the regular brown tip that you see that is actually bleached. You know, some factory actually bleach the tip of their hair to get this brown, but this is actually natural. This is natural from the donor, and you can see this is about 6 bundles of hair, which is giving luxury. Okay, now they have good combos for 8 inches hair, for 10 inches, which I'll be talking about in this video. Another thing I love about Lyn Hair is that they actually make wigs. So if you're a busy person that wants to venture into hair business, you don't know how to wig, Lyn Hair is your plug, because they will make the wig for you. Look at this. Look at the inside. This is what you get when you have your hair wigged by Lyn Hair factory. You can see it. This is the proper lace, I mean the proper net for them to use. If you want to go into hair business in 2025, or if you are into hair business already, you don't know how to wig, wigging is always stressing you out, you literally need to, DM Lyn Hair Factory, because they make wigs and they can make wigs for you. I mean, very, very clean wigs. And let me now talk about the combo they are having right now. This combo, I'm telling you, it is a steal. It is a steal. It's like you are robbing them, because they're going to give you these wigs, 10 of it, 10 for 726. $726 for 10 weeks. They already wig this hair for you properly. All you have to do is buy it, straighten the hair, I mean restyle it when you get it, and sell to your customer. They are giving you 10 of these wigs for 726, okay, in natural color. But if you tell them that you are from me, they will give it to you for 680 USD for this hair. I mean 10 pieces of wigs, not bundle oh, 10 pieces of wigs. That is 2 kg of hairs with 2x6 closure. This is a 2x6 closure. It is not 2x4. This is 2x6. You can see 2x6, and in a wig form. They are giving you 10 of these for 680 if you're buying from me, but the normal price is 726. Okay. Then again, if you don't want natural color, you want different color, you want it to be mixed with different colors. I mean, you can choose up to 10 different colors, including blonde. Including blonde. You can choose 10 different colors, including blonde, from them. They have this color, they have this. I mean, where's my brush? They have this color, so you can choose different colors. I mean, different colors. Look at this. One of my mission in Vietnam this time is to find factories that can actually make wigs, because some people come to my DM to tell me that they don't have the time to wig. So right in Vietnam now, there's this factory, Lyn Hair, that can wig for you. They can wig the hairs for you. They will take the stress off you. If you are buying this, I mean 10 different colors, they are going to give you for 840 US dollars. 840. The normal price is 886. But if you are coming from me, they'll give it to you for 840. That is a discounted price of 46 USD. Okay, so rush to their DM now. They have the combo for 10 inches too. Natural black, which is 830, 831. Okay, but if you are coming from me, they'll give it to you for 780. You can either buy it natural color or choose different colors. They have different colors. They have this, they have this, name it. Look at those ones over there. You can choose, you can send them the color that you want and they will make it for you. They have burgundy here, over here. They have burgundy. They have any color whatsoever that you want. If you want 10 inches black in natural color, it is 780 if you are coming from me, but the normal price is 831. If you are buying 10 inches different color, it is 991 normally, but if you are coming from me, it is 920 US dollars. So run to their DM now. This is like the best combo I've seen so far in Vietnam. So rush to their DM. I'm going to put the contact detail on the screen and also in the description box of this video. And with this, I can actually assure you that you're getting, I mean, I'm seeing the hairs here right now, and I can tell you that they're of good quality. So you're going to get the best from them. Just tell them that you are coming from me and you get the best. With that being said, we've come to the end of today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.